Avalanche Lake hike is about 6 miles. It's moderate and takes about 2 to 3 hours round trip.
What's this trail called, B?
Avalanche?
Yes. The Trail of the Cedars.
The hike to Avalanche Lake shares the same trailhead as Trail of the Cedars. The scenery changes dramatically beginning at the Trail of the Cedars, follows a beautiful stream, and ends at the gorgeous lake. Trail of the Cedars is one of the best easy hikes in Glacier National Park.
What it cut? The national park? The Congaree?
The most popular time of year to visit the park and hike to Avalanche Lake is from June to September. The best time to hike the Avalanche Trail is in the fall. With beautiful views of Avalanche Gorge and Avalanche Creek, the lake itself is spectacular and takes its name from the profusion of avalanches that slide down the snowy capped peaks that surround it.
This trail offers beautiful cascading waterfalls, a stream that runs along the side of the trail, huge boulders, and many tall trees.
It doesn't matter the time of day you go for this hike. Because you are hiking through the forest, there is lots of shade. Just remember that parking can be a hassle. When you get to the lake, that's a different story. There is absolutely no shade. But there are lots of areas to sit, enjoy the scenery, take pictures, and have something to eat. This is the only lake I was jealous of others that remembered to take a swimming suit. The water does look rocky, so don't forget your water shoes.
My favorite part of this hike was walking through the giant tree canopy.
Avalanche Lake is a gorgeous alpine lake with green waters surrounded by stunning mountains. Depending on the time of year you visit, you'll be able to see many waterfalls cascading down the mountain in the distance.
Avalanche Lake Trail is a moderately difficult trail, and it's about 6 miles there and back. Thank you.
For me, the hike reminded me of walking through the forest moon of Endor, due to the tree foliage, fallen trees, and greenery all around. There were a couple spots where the hike had an incline, but nothing compared to the Grinnell Trail.
At the end of this trail, you're rewarded with the Avalanche Lake, surrounded by mountains and waterfalls in the distance.
My favorite part was coming out of the trail to the opening of the lake. The coloring of the mountains with the waterfall and the lake was such a delightful sight. The pictures we took here at the lake and throughout the hike are my favorite from our whole trip to Glacier National Park.